working for Boskalis, it's a broad range of activities you are able to do. Now, especially with Smith, Dockwise, Vanguard.
We can integrate services from subsea, for example, with services from marine contracting and even Dockwise, to give our client a full, complete package.
Our engineers here at Dockwise put a wish list together of what they would like to see in a heavy marine transport vessel, and the result of that was the Dockwise Vanguard.
This is a vessel that has been designed from the ground up to be something different, something new, a vessel that was designed to meet the needs of our customers.
We open now a completely new market, the dry transportation on board of the Dockwise Vanguard, whereby you save half of the time. And time is money in the oil and gas business.
They are all amazed that we've actually built this vessel, that it's actually sailing, and they're already stretching their own minds to think of ways to use it.
Our client wants a fully integrated service, meaning a service that includes a vessel, including air diving or saturation services, as well as ROV services as a package.
We are constantly seeking for optimum value creation for clients, the company and our partners.
We are an ambitious company and we're growing in the offshore industry. And at the same time, we need to tell our clients what we can do. In the offshore world, we can now seriously be at the table to talk about the complete installation from A to Z of an offshore structure.
We have a fresh approach towards offshore installation. We provide turnkey services to our ultimate client.
We are always at the verge of what is technically possible.
We make a tailor-made project organization for each project to make sure that we meet their needs and can match their organization.
The mitigation of the risks are discussed, action plans are set out.
We do the transportation, the hookup, the mooring and the installation, and we can do everything for the client with respect to the FPSO.
The Dockwise Vanguard is able to discharge offshore, position herself under the FPSO, you lift it up, and while it's still connected to the seabed, you can do your maintenance offshore.
Our vessel is clearly different with an open bow, and in that way we can transport also FPSO or long spars.
We are now being recognized as a full offshore transport and installation contractor.
We're not only a market leader, but we're the innovator of this business.
Innovation is key, very often, to achieve an end result for a client.
Safety and quality is very important.
Very broad range from dredging marine activities to very much offshore related activities and everything in between.
Subsea services specialized in subsea IRM and light construction activities. In the oil and gas sector, using diving services, air diving, saturation diving, or ROVs.
With our knowledge of salvage, the availability of cranes and anchor handling tugs, decommissioning can be a very attractive market.
Commissioning side, we are pretty active, especially now on the North Sea where it's really picking up.
There's no limitation to the extent of what we install.
If we need to do a complex float over with a very high air gap, we will find a solution for it. Or Yeah, if we need to go into a harsh environment, we can do that as well.
Jacket installation, launch and installation, and topside installation, you can come to us.
The original traditional dredging part, construction of ports, is also a very big role in our business for the oil and gas industry.
Rather than it being a transactional relationship, we want to build long-term relationships with our customers.
Using dredging to create ports or to create new land, we are actually using the same type of equipment, but applying it on burial of products and safeguarding the infrastructure that oil and gas companies need to have out there to be able to safely bring their product to shore.
There's not always one fit for one customer. We have to provide the best logistics solution for our customers' needs. The floating super pallet becomes the asset which is full-time employed on our client's project, and the vessel acts as a transportation medium.
This really solved the environmental concerns as well as the high cost of having our vessel waiting for the cargo to get on board, as well as wasting a lot of sea fastening time.
This is just the beginning. I really believe it's going to be game-changing and change the way in which modular transportation is approached by the industry and our clients.
Creating new horizons together, for me, means integrating the services available within the group of companies of Boskalis and Dockwise and trying to offer the client a complete package of services where all the interfaces are covered by Boskalis.
The synergy between the different companies, Boskalis, Smith, Dockwise, if you add those together, then you have an enormous opportunity.
The add-on and the integrated value you can create towards your client, I think that is creating new horizons, because now we are able to offer jobs towards clients as a whole package.
Provide a more optimized solution to our clients.
The character of the company is that the people consist of what we say doers.
The Boskalis culture is one of getting the job done.
What makes us unique is a wide variety of solutions that we can offer.
Working offshore, complex projects with sophisticated assets, in combination with skilled people. Realizing the inconceivable together, because you cannot realize the inconceivable on your own.
Finding new ways to help our customers that even they couldn't conceive of, but we could conceive of, and making those dreams become a reality.
It's also about innovative solutions. All these companies combined, I think we are a unique company within the offshore industry.
Especially that combination of know-how, engineering knowledge, together with that broad range of equipment. Yeah, that gives us an excellent base to penetrate rather fast in the coming years in this market.